Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Christmas week. So I am creating a video for you guys. I actually posted this picture on my Instagram and you guys really wanted to see a tutorial on it, and this is the look that I created after I came back from the master class with Mario Dedivanovic. Yes, I can say it. You kind of have to think about it before you say it. So Dedivanovic, I don't know. But that's his last name, and his Instagram handle is Makeup by Mario. He is a makeup god and so amazing. Like, it's so inspirational. So he does have a class coming out. I talked about it the last video that I put out for you guys, which was my experience at the master class. Unfortunately, I won't be able to attend this time around. The tickets are a little bit more expensive, and unfortunately I couldn't figure out a way to make it work. But I wish you all who are attending best of luck, and you know, just try to soak in the experience. You're gonna have a blast. So this look is inspired by just the way he works as an artist. So I created this look using my Morphe palettes. I ended up getting two new ones, the 35V, which is this one. I'll show you guys. This is the 35V. I've already used this a couple times. I absolutely love it. And this is the one I use for my makeup look on IG. And here it is. We are going to use these three and then these two in the bottom. Now, some of the steps that I take are still my steps. Not everything is straight from the masterclass. So I'm still kind of like doing makeup my way, but with the little tweaks here and there. Before we get started, please go ahead and join my familia on YouTube. I appreciate you guys so much, and stay tuned for the giveaways. They are coming. I promise you, they are coming. So might as well join my fam right now. Oh wait, go ahead. Oh wait, still waiting. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first step, I am going to mist my face with my Mario Badescu spray. This I use all the time. It is one of my holy grails. And I'm going to let my skin absorb that, and while it's doing that, I'm going to take my beauty sponge and just help it along the way. Press it into my skin. Now I am going to go in with my Tatcha silk canvas, and I'm just like really like pressing it, and then also like kind of filling it into my pores. I really like this primer because it does a really great job of covering my pores and my fine lines. I have this new foundation that I'm going to try. Everyone's been raving about it. It is the 24-hour Maybelline Super Stay foundation. So it's a full coverage foundation, lasts up to 24 hours. I don't know that anyone would leave their makeup on for 24 hours, but you just never know. You got a busy life, you know. So I'm just gonna shake it, because you want to shake all your foundation always. Oh, look at that, almost the right match. I thought about going darker just because, okay, so that's my face and this is my arm. I don't necessarily like my face to be lighter than my body. I want it to be even, but you know, I exfoliate my face almost every day. I do masks every day. What else do I do every day? I do the derma roller every other day. I do this facial sculptor thing. You just use it to go up and down your face. I do this every day. I do suction cups every other day on my face. I just do so much to my face that it just will be lighter than my body always. And when you're out in the sun, you don't necessarily want to tan your face, because I'm not trying to be wrinkled. You know what I'm saying? Oh, Okay, so far this is full coverage. Like, holy crap. I was only 3 pumps and I'm very, very happy with that. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I think if I wanted like the ultra like supreme full coverage, I would go in with a little bit more foundation on certain spots, but you know, I love that it still has like some sort of luminosity to my skin, to where my skin is looking like real skin and not just completely, you know, foundationed up. KK Beauty. This is the concealer in number 7. So I'm just going to put mostly under my eye where it's a little bit more darker and more blue, because I have 2 blue veins under my eyes that are obnoxious. Obnoxious. And then I'm going to put this on the darkness around the corners of my mouth. Boom, boom, boom. Where else? Right there. Just like that. That's where I have like darkness. I know I look funny. And I like to spray my Morphe sponge with my Morphe spray. So I like to pat this in, and then once it's like pressed in, I'm going to do a like kneading motion, like so, just to finish off. So you're pressing and then twisting. I'm going to take this. This is the Give Me Sun powder by MAC Cosmetics. I'm just gonna press this into the hollows of my cheeks. So you can make the face if you want, but if you just press your brush, it should fall into the hollows of your cheeks. Or you can tilt your head and you can see where it's supposed to go. You see how, like, even though I didn't set my face, it still looks like I set my face. So what I'm doing is I'm just stippling. So this one, I bought it and tried it out, tested it out on my skin, and never used it. Ooh, sorry about that. So this one is Silver Dusk. This is an iridescent powder, loose powder from MAC. So it's basically a loose highlight powder. If they still have these, girl, like, they are amazing. So this is the powder. If you guys can see it, that's the powder. And I already have some on my lid, which I'm just going to leave. So I like to like really like buff it into my brush and then just tap it out. Oof, you see that? You see that? I did nothing and I just placed it on there. Oof, girl. Okay, hold on. So much for going natural. We haven't even gotten into the eyes. Like, if I don't get to finish this eye look, I'm going to cry. It might be a different look, you guys, and if it is, I am so sorry. So I'm patting it and then I'm bringing it up to my temple because I just love how this looks. And then, so I want it to be right here and then also look as here. From right under the eye to all the way up. And then I like to bring it down to where my blush is gonna go because I just love how this looks under the blush. Now I'm going to take my fave right now. This is Luminoso by Milani. So I like to pat my blush versus just loading it on, and then I like to bring it towards my temple as well, like all the way up, and then right on my eye, even though I'm going to go in for that like Slytherin eye. So here's your contour, here's your highlight. You're gonna go right there. I just think this looks so pretty, just like on everyone. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend out all of this highlight, contour, blush, cocktail we have on our face, just to make it blend into each other and just look very seamless. Bam! I'm going to do my eyebrows by the power of YouTube magic because time is ticking and we have to go. So, voila. Okay, like I told you guys, I am running out of time. So I did my brows really quick and now I am going to do a very quick, very easy eye look using this, using the 35M palette by Morphe. So whenever I'm rushed to do my makeup, you know what I usually do? I fall back to my trusty fingers. So I like to go in with my fingers to just really do a very soft look. So unfortunately, because I ran out of time, that is what this video just turned into for you guys. So let me do this really quick for you guys and then I will put out the video of my Instagram picture for you guys in later on this week. I promise, Scouts honor, te lo juro. Okay, so this is the color that we are going to go in first. That is going to go all over our lid and I'm going to use my middle finger to do that. So this is the finger that you guys want to use. I'm going to do 3 or 4 circles on that, blow out the excess and then just place that on my eye all over my lid. You want to blow off the excess powder off your finger because if not, you will absolutely have fallout. Pat, pat, pat. And you're just patting it into your lid. And if you go up to your crease, that is perfectly fine. It makes it look softer. Now, I am actually going to take a brighter color. I'm going to take this color. This color. Right there. This is what I do. It's like a yellow shimmer color and I'm gonna place this right on the front part of my eye. Right there. I just love like using my fingers. I feel like using your fingers allows you to be really creative with your placement of your color shadows. Boom. Hello. I'm going to take the other side of my KKW brush and I'm just going to kind of like make sure there's no product on there and I just want to kind of blend both of these colors out into nothing. No transition color, nada. Because we patted the first color into our crease, it kind of gives us that like faint crease color. And our second color just blended or just melted into the first color we laid down. This brush is from Morphe. It is perfect for any lash line look. It's the M213. And I'm going to take a, let me see, I'm going to take this purple color. Because I don't want to go too dark. Where is it? This one right here. Just going to pat it and I'm going to work this on my lash line. As close to the lash line as possible. That's why I really like this brush for detail work. And then I'm going to wing it. Whatever is left over, I'm going to wing it a little bit. I'm going to take this Super Stay Essential Black Wonder 2 liner. Okay, so now that I put it on my waterline, I'm going to take this and just run it on my lash line. And just as close to the lash line as possible. Now that it's super close to my lash line, I'm going to take the same brush that I use that dark purple with and I'm just going to buff it out buff that liner out. Okay, I'm going to take my pinky again and I'm going to grab a little bit of the Amrezy highlight. And I'm just going to place it right in my tear duct. Boom. Curl and mascara right away. You already know what I'm using, of course, my OG. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please be careful with this. Don't do it as fast as I did. I don't feel like doing a liquid lipstick, even though liquid lipstick will look really bomb with this look. I'm just going to take my Kylie Cosmetics Dolce K liner and my over the top gloss from Dose of Colors. This is the Desi and Katie collection gloss. Alright guys, that is the final look. I hope you guys like this. I am so sorry I ran out of time, but like I said, this was a really fast, easy tutorial. I did not even use a brush other than this guy. So if you don't have brushes, don't sweat it. Alright guys, I hope you guys like this finished look. I know it wasn't what we originally planned, but I think it came out really awesome. You can add lashes if you want to this look, but you know, if you don't, then you can still rock this look like this. So thank you guys so much again. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, adios.